Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Xbox game bar not opening or working on Windows 11. Let's dive right in. First, open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Let this scan run in the background while we move to the next step. Now, search for Game Bar in the Start menu. Right-click it and select App Settings. Scroll down, and click Terminate. Then click Reset twice. This resets the app to its default state. Next, open Check for Updates from the Start menu and click on it. Install any available updates for your system. If the problem still persists, open the Start menu and search for PowerShell. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Then click Yes. Copy the command from the video description, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter. Now restart your computer, and your Xbox game bar should be fixed. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.